26th of July on a Monday evening at Almoundbury All Hallows Church. I'm going to get this one in. Okay? Yeah. It's got a peal of 8 bells and 2 blue and gold clock faces on 2 sides only. So I'm going to video this for a few minutes. Because I've never done it from here before. So there's no clock there. So this is the village of Almoundbury in West Yorkshire, okay? So I'm going to go around it all. Let's get started and then we can do the bells. There's 8 in there and it's a Monday evening. It'll be a practice night. 7:30 till 9 hopefully. So we should get some good ringing here. Help the team. Yes. Evening on a Monday night on the 26th of July, so I'm going to video that and video the village. So going around it, and there's that chimney there, but it's a redundant chimney, so I'm going to start making way to the church. Take the mask off until I get into the bell tower and I put the other one on. So it's by Old School Lane. Just be careful with this video camera. Right, let's go and do a video of the church. Come on. Yeah, alright, where is it? It's there. Do it for a few minutes and then I'll do the bells hopefully. There's the blue clock faces, but there's no hands on them, so it's still not working. There's 2 on 2 sides only. Shame that, isn't it? Yeah. It's a lovely church, I like it. I'm going to video that for a while. So we'll go down there and video the church down there. Yes. Don't worry, no one's going on my YouTube apart from my friend Graham and my bellringing friends. This is like the village of Almoundbury Church.
So the one there is, I don't know if you've seen it, it's right next door to the petrol station.
This is the village of Almoundbury, so it's over the road from Blacksmith's Fold. Yes. Where's the bell tower? Well, I'm gonna go down here and then video up at it if I can. You can't really see the clock from here, can you? That's just a thing there.
All the way down to the bottom.
This is like a quiet village. So I'm in West Yorkshire, and this church here has 8 bells, and the tenor is 1908. And this is the oldest church in Huddersfield, well built before Huddersfield Parish Church St Peter's. It's over 1200 years old, is the church. So it's the oldest in West Yorkshire. You can get that. Hey. This video of the village. Make sure that all gets put on YouTube without asking me. Don't worry, I'm videoing all the church so it'll all get done. Yes. Wait a minute. Wait. Some birds croaking. It's next to a busy main road again. Right, go on, you're alright now. Go and get it video, go and get your church done. Oh, sorry. There's somebody there.
Which stuff? Oh yeah, we haven't done
This
that
is
yet.
like a monument.
It's
Sorry.
it's in Dale's boot. Yeah. Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
There's a monument here. I'm stood right next to a monument in almoundbury village on the 26th of July on Monday evening before the bellringing practice night on a Monday night. But years ago it used to be Tuesday night at one time, 7:45 till 9:15, but now it's Monday night by 7:30 till 9 because of the music festival on the Tuesdays. Yeah, so that's the pub there opposite, so that's coming in. Right, it's just up Westgate, and I'm going to video the church inside and down the side, and then I'm going to take a picture of that window at the top. So well, a lot of people like old history about villages and churches and things like that. So I'm back in West Yorkshire now. So that's where I am. The wool pack. That's where I am, near the wool pack. There's the other clock, and that's got no hands on it either. It's a real shame, isn't it? But maybe they'll do it soon after lockdown. Fingers crossed. So it's only 10 to 7, so I'm a bit earlier than 7:15, so I thought I'd just come early and do this church and then it's done. So I'm going to video it round the other side and video the back and then wait for my friend to turn up. And those are my sort of windows there that I like them though. Those are my favourite windows as well, them shapes, any of them. Yep. At least the clock faces have been renovated, but there's no hands on them. No. Although I'll be videoing the bells ringing later on tonight as well. They'll be on it as well. So I'm doing a church tour of some of churches. Yeah. I'm just wondering, let's have a look and see where we can find it. Let's just turn around and see if we can get those two clock faces up there. That's the only two there is on the outside, so the bells can be full circle rung or chimed using an ellicombe chime apparatus by one person using the same 8 bells here. Yep, so that's how they ring the bells, either full circle rung or chimed by one person downstairs in the church. Okay, yes. So that's what we've got here at Almoundbury Church. Yep. So let me just have a look at it. From the back. It's better like this on a sunny day and it's not wet and windy and cold and dark at bedtime, like 7 o'clock and night time or whatever. So it's better doing it when it's light and I've got the summer months to think about. So we can have that on YouTube. Oh, sorry, don't want to get anyone in there. I'm going to go up there and get the other side of the church without the clock. Yeah. So I'll put this on when I get home tonight. I haven't finished yet. So when people were naughty years ago, they used to put your head in there and tie you up in there, but that doesn't happen now, so that's better for everyone. Oh. Right, let's get this side, shall we, of the church, where there's one clock and one without, shall we? See, there isn't no clock face there, so we've only got 2 outside and 1 in the ringing room, and that doesn't work at the moment because that's not connected to these 2 outside. No. So I'm sorry about that, but at least you're getting something from me. Stuart, the heaviest bellringer in the world. Yep. see where we can go now. I can maybe, let's see if I can go this side before they come to ring. Oh, don't worry, we're going to get the bells ringing tonight as well. We won't forget that. Because people like to hear the church bells ring on YouTube. So, it's all been planned by me. Right. And that one there is the church hall that's been built onto the church a few years ago, because when I first learnt ringing in 1996 that wasn't there then. No, it wasn't. There you are. You want the two sides without the clock this time, Stuart? Aye. I'm not sure if I can do that. I'll have to have a look and do a good look around. I can just have a look and see if I can get it in, but I know you can't because the tree's there. But it can just come back to the window again. That's all I can get. So there's no clock faces on these two sides round here. No. There's history about Almoundbury Church from Stuart Mills. Yep. So we'll stop there now until later on, and then we don't waste any more. Okay.